So hello guys, it's me Novis, and these are the two trades that I took on EURUSD. First trade tapped into my stop loss, which was around $8 because I moved my stop loss to the break even as soon as the market break out this higher high. And this was the second trade that tapped into my take profit. And I'm going to explain it why I took this trade, and I'm also going to explain my daily buys for today and what was the reason behind taking all these trades. Uh, First of all, before I take any kind of trades, I always do analysis on DXY because DXY helps to find me the market direction. If DXY goes up, then EURUSD is likely to go down. So over here, what you can see is market has just recently disrespected this bearish fair value gap and created this bullish fair value gap, which means market in this point is really bullish. And what the market did is market created this bullish fair value gap and market tapped into this bullish fair value gap, and we can also see the market respecting this bullish fair value gap, which is indicating that DXY is getting stronger. Now let's dive into 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, what we can see is the market didn't tap into this 4-hour fair value gap, and I wanted the market to tap into this 4-hour fair value gap as well. So overall, my market direction at DXY is bullish. And talking about 1-hour time frame, on 1-hour time frame also what we can say is market disrespected all this bearish fair value gap. So this was the bearish fair value gap that the market should have respected in a, if the market would wanted to go down, something like this, tap into this 1-hour bearish fair value gap and go down. But the market did completely opposite of it. Market completely inverse this bearish fair value gap, so we can see this inverse fair value gap. Then after market also created this 1-hour bullish fair value gap, which I wanted the market to tap into this 1-hour bullish fair value gap before going up. So this was the reason why I took my first trade. I wanted the market to tap into this a 1-hour bullish fair value gap on DXY. So this was the 1-hour bullish fair value gap, and what we can see over here is we can also see equal lows resting below on DXY, which is the market, which is the magnet for the market to tap into this. So this was the first reason why I took this trade on Euro USD. I took sell trade, I took the buy trade on Euro USD. Let's shift into 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, what we can also see is, so this was the Asian session low. I need to turn on this indicator. So this was the Asian session high and this was the Asian session low. At this point, market had already taken out this Asian session high. You can just simply remember this time frame, 24th of September. This was the 23 o'clock and this was the 0, which means 24th September just started on New York. Just remember the time frame. On DXY, market took out Asian session high, which means market should have taken out Asian session low on EURUSD. But what we can see is market didn't take out the Asian session low on EURUSD, creating SMT divergence. So this is the reason why what made me to take this trade. Let me mark out this Asian session low. So you can see the market didn't take out Asian session low on EURUSD, whereas on DXY market took out this Asian session high, creating SMT divergence, indicating that DXY dollar or euro dollar is getting stronger. So at this point market failed to create lower low, instead of that market created higher low. Let me remove this. As soon as the market created this SMT divergence, I was looking for buy trade on EURUSD. So I took this pre-market trade. Even though the London session wasn't started, I took this pre-market trade, hoping that market would tap into my take profit. But my analysis was completely right. It was completely right. The reason why I took this trade on EURUSD is we can also see this all these equal lows resting on DXY. So let me mark it out. Oh shit. So you can see this, or you can just simply turn on this equal high or equal low indicator. So this was the equal low that market created. I was waiting for the market to tap into this equal low. Not only this, we can also see this equal low resting down below. So at this point my bias was I wanted the market to take out all these liquidity before going up on DXY, and that's the reason why I took this trade. You can see this equal lows resting below. See the time frame 21:45 and 22:15. What the market did, uh, first of all, let me explain where I entered my trade. So I shifted in the 3 minute time frame. As soon as I shifted in the 3 minute time frame, what we can see is a market disrespected this bearish fair value gap and making it inversion fair value gap. So this was the inverse fair value gap. As soon as the market inversed this fair value gap, I took out the trade on this candle. I took my trade on this candle. Stop loss below. Okay, I guess I took the trade on 5 minute time frame or 3 minute. Okay, it's the 3 minute time frame. As soon as the market inverts this fair value gap, I entered my trade at this candle, keeping stop loss at this point. Okay, it's something like this. Okay, it's making me sense now. And targeting all these equal highs, the time frame. I mean, not the equal high. It was a 1 hour 1 hour bullish fair value gap. Yeah, I mean bearish fair value gap. I wanted the market to tap into this 1 hour bullish bearish fair value gap, but the market didn't tap into it. So you can see, market never came and tapped into this point. But what we can see over here is on DXY, even though the market didn't took out this equal low, just remember this time frame 21:45. uh, Let me remove this indicator as well, and let me make this chart clear so that you guys can see this equal low over here. Even though the market didn't taken out this equal low on DXY, but market did took out this uh, lows on uh, EURUSD. Just remember this time frame 21:45 and 22:15. 22:15. Just remember this time frame. It's on here 22:15. So this is this. You can see over here the market just recently swept this liquidity, whereas on DXY market didn't taken out this liquidity or this equal low that the market was resting below here 22:15. You can see this market already swept this equal low on EURUSD, creating SMT divergence. So this was the SMT divergence 22:15 and 1 o'clock, creating bullish SMT on DXY, indicating the DXY dollar is getting stronger. So 22:15 and 1 o'clock. So you can see this SMT divergence. This was the SMT divergence. As soon as the market took out this equal low on EURUSD, market, you can see the market completely went down. What we can see over here is this candle took out all the equal lows on DXY. So as soon as the market took out this, and you can see the huge downfall on EURUSD. The reason why my trade didn't work out is I targeted this take profit and 1 hour time frame, but the market already took out the equal lows on DXY, but we cannot see on that DXY pair. EURUSD already took out all these highs, equal highs. So that means there is a stronger bullish SMT on DXY, indicating that DXY dollar is getting stronger. So that was the reason why my first trade completely tapped into my stop loss. So this was the second trade that I took. Now what I noticed was, at this point of my time, at this point of the market, I was completely bearish on EURUSD because market had already taken out all these uh, equal lows resting below in this DXY, creating SMT divergence. What we just imagine that market had already swept out this liquidity because it did on EURUSD, creating SMT divergence. So market has already swept out this liquidity, and what I saw was I took this trade on London session. So this was the ICD kill zone. Okay, I took this trade in London session. The reason why I took this trade was market created manipulation move. Market completely created this manipulation move. Market took out all this liquidity, buy side liquidity resting above, so there was no reason for market to go up. I was pretty sure that this was the fake manipulation move, I mean fake bullish sense of character that market created just to invite buyers into the market, just to invite some buyers into the market to hunt their liquidity. I was pretty sure this was the fake manipulation move, and this was gonna be the liquidity point where the market created bullish sense of character, lower low, lower high, lower low, then after higher high, and I took my trade and this bullish fair value gap inversion. There was two inversion fair value gaps. I waited for the market to fill up all that to bullish fair value gaps. As soon as the market inverts this fair value gap with this candle, you can see this. I entered my trade. Kept my stop loss above this candle, and take profit target only 1:2. 1:2. So this was the take profit target. I didn't place my take profit anywhere around the market. It was the reason why I placed my take profit. So on DXY, what we can see here is, um, okay, let me point out this 15-minute time frame. You can see all this sell side liquidity resting down below over here. This one, also this equal lows resting below, indicating the market will come down and hunt this liquidity. Two equal lows means the magnet for the market to hunt the liquidity. And also this one, market came down, hunted all these liquidities. And also the market is currently trying to tap into this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. On the DXY, we can also see that market has already tapped into this bearish fair value gap, creating S&P divergence, whereas on EURUSD the market has tapped into this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. So just keeping in mind, S&P divergence is really important for you to confirm the trades, and this is the reason why I am winning my trades. I targeted these two equal lows, and market completely came down and tapped into this stop loss. I mean this two equal lows, taken out all this liquidity, and market is still going down. So that means my bias was completely working. At this point, this was the manipulation move that I got into it. I guess that's not a manipulation move. By the way, I should have already noticed down this SMT divergence. At this 20 to 15, there was equal lows resting on DXY. As soon as the market took out this 20 to 15 candle high, this one, I should have just simply closed my trade at this point, not caring about the profit and loss. I should have just completely stopped my trade at this point. So this was the mistake that I did on first trade. That's it, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.